Welcome to Lingo Tree, Let's Speak Sinhala online series.
In today's episode, we will learn about possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives are used to indicate ownership or possession of something. They describe the relationship between a noun and the person or thing that possesses it. The Sinhala possessive adjectives are
Mage, Oyage, Eage, Ape, Ogollange, Egollange. Mage, Oyage, Eage, Ape, Ogollange, Egollange.
Let's explore some phrases using these possessive adjectives.
Mage pota. Oyage කාර් එක. එයාගේ තාත්තා. ඇයගේ බෑග් එක. අපේ පවුල. ඕගොල්ලන්ගේ රට. ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ උත්සවය.
Now let's have a look at some examples on how to use the possessive adjectives.
Consider the word book. In Sinhala, book is
පොත.
Simply apply the chosen possessive adjective followed by the noun. Examples.
මගේ පොත. ඔයාගේ පොත. එයාගේ පොත. අපේ පොත. ඕගොල්ලන්ගේ පොත. ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ පොත.
Easy, right? Another example. The word pen. In Sinhala, pen is
පෑන. මගේ පෑන. ඔයාගේ පෑන. එයාගේ පෑන. අපේ පෑන. ඕගොල්ලන්ගේ පෑන. ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ පෑන.
Now, it's your turn. Fill in the blank with the correct possessive adjective to complete the phrase. Where is my pen?
මගේ පෑන කොහෙද?
Give me your book.
මට ඔයාගේ පොත දෙන්න.
I saw his car.
මම එයාගේ කාර් එක දැක්කා.
I like her dress.
මම එයාගේ ඇඳුමට ආසයි.
This is our dog.
මේ අපේ බල්ලා.
I like your family.
මම ඕගොල්ලන්ගේ පවුලට කැමතියි.
I went to their house.
මම ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ ගෙදර ගියා.
Well done. Now, we would like you to write some phrases below in the comment section, using the Sinhala possessive adjective.
Congratulations, you have made it to the end. Can't wait to see you on our next episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.